Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a super fun and interactive Python project which is a number guessing game. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to practice your coding skills, this is the perfect project to get your hands dirty. So let's jump right in. So the first question is what is a number guessing game? So what exactly is a number guessing game? It's a game where the computer randomly generates number and the player tries to guess it. So the game provides hints like too high or too low until the player gets it right cool. So let's break it down step by step. Okay, so our program will consist of so I will write as well on the Python file. So the first part is generating a random number. Okay, the second part is taking input from the user. Okay, the third one is providing hints, and the fourth one is tracking attempts, and also show a message congratulations the player on guessing the number. Simple and fun. So let's start coding. Okay, so first we import library, import random. Now after this we use the loop, which is while. Now generate a random number. So for this we declare a variable number to guess equal to random dot rand int. So for this here we use the minimum range and a maximum range. After this attempts, which is 0, now print a message. So slash n, which is new line, welcome to the number guess game. Okay, now the second print is I have chosen a number between 1 to 50. Can you guess it? Here we can also use a slash n, start from the new line. Okay, so after this again we use the while loop, while true, which is here we use the try. Okay, now take input from the user. So how we can do this? User guess equal to int input. So enter your guess 1 to 50 between. Now here we use the attempts plus equal to 1. Okay, now the next one is provide hints. So for this we use if user guess is less than number to guess. So here we use the print too low, try again. Elif user guess, which is a greater than number to guess, print too high, try again, else print It's a formatted string because here we can also show the number of attempts. You guess the number in attempts. Okay, now break the loop. Okay, now after this, here we use except we use the value error print. Please enter a valid number. Okay, now after this, ask the user if they want to play again. So for this, again we use play again variable equal to take the input from the user. Do you to play again? Yes or no? Dot lower. So if play again, it is not equal to yes. Now print thanks for playing and goodbye. Now break. Okay, now run the code. Guess the number which is too low. Now try 20. It's also too low. 30. Okay, so I guess the number in 3 attempts. Now computer ask the now computer show a message. Do you want to play again? If you want to play again, so write yes. Now again try. Too low. 30. Too high. So 25. Too low. 21. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. Okay, now you guess the number in 10 attempts. So try it yourself and see how quickly you can guess the number. So want to take your game to the next level? So I will give you some ideas for customization. Add a difficulty level which is easy, medium and hard. You can also use a graphical interface with the Tkinter library. You can also add a leaderboard to track the best score. And that's it. You have built your own number guessing game in Python. This is a great way to sharpen your coding skills and have some fun along the way. If you enjoyed this tutorial, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep coding and stay awesome.